Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your email address on Shein. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your smartphone, and once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Go ahead and log into your account, and once you are logged in, you will be taken to this homepage. Now within this page, tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner, which is the profile icon. Once you're in the profile icon, you will find the gear icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you will end up within the settings page. Once you're in the settings page, go ahead and tap on your username at the top section, and now you can find various different options. Once you're in this page, go ahead and tap on Manage My Account, and now you will find various different options including your email address. Go ahead and tap on Email, and now if your email has not been verified yet, you have the option to tap on Verify to proceed with verifying your email address. You can also change your email address if you want to by tapping on the Change option. If you want to change your email address, tap on Change and you will be asked to enter your new email address that you want to set. If your email has not been verified, tap on Verify, and now you will be asked to click on the link that has been sent to your current email address or the new one if you have decided to change it. So go ahead and check your inbox, and you will be able to find the confirm link, which you can click on to verify your account and fix your email address issues. And once your email has been verified, you can use the Shein application without any limitations. And there you have it. That is how you can fix your email on the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.